Hey everyone, welcome back to Off the Pie Charts. I'm Tyler Pierce. Today we're going to tackle a classic comfort food that we all know and love, Hamburger Helper. But instead of the box version, we're going to make it from scratch right in one pot. This is easy, quick, and all you need are some pantry staples. Before we get started, I make tasty recipes every week you don't want to miss, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that like button too. Let's get started. Here's what we'll need for the Hamburger Helper. 1 pound of ground beef, I went with 80-20. 1 onion, diced. 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of beef broth, 1.5 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of whatever pasta you have in the pantry. I'm using elbow. Italiano. Diced tomatoes, you can totally use canned, just make sure that they are drained. 1.5 cups of shredded cheese, tomato paste, and then I have some spices. There's paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and some curry in here. Of course, salt and pepper to taste. Before heading over to the pot with our ground beef, we're going to prep our onion and our garlic. So I just like to cut the onion in half, get rid of the stem. Then you're going to come in and make 3 or 4 slices through the onion. There's 1, 2, 3. Now you want to make several slices towards the stem. And you just come in and chop again. And then you can just come in and give it a rough chop. I don't mind a bigger piece of onion for this, but maybe some people don't like it as big. Okay, just smash these down and give them a nice mince. Okay, we're going to add our ground beef. I want to make sure that you break these up into smaller bits. This definitely brings back childhood memories of having the famous Hamburger Helper. Super easy to do, right? You just ground the beef, you put in the water and the sauce and let it simmer. This is going to taste so much better. Probably healthier for you too. All right, let's go to the next step. Now we're going to add our garlic and onion. Let those cook together for another couple minutes until the onion is soft and translucent. You'll start to smell the garlic. It's a great base for our flavors. All right, let's move on. We're gonna add our tomato paste first with our beef broth and the milk. Last but certainly not least, we're going to add in our pasta. I'm using elbow, but you could do whatever in your pantry, really. Make sure you give it a good stir too, so nothing's sticking together and it's getting all that delicious liquid. Go ahead and cover the pot and let it simmer for about 10-12 minutes. You'll want to stir it occasionally so the pasta doesn't stick to the bottom. Cook until the pasta is tender and most of the liquid has been absorbed. All right, it's time to get cheesy. I already am. We're gonna remove the lid and add about 1.5 cups of shredded cheese and stir it until it's all melted and gooey. Kind of like me. All right, let's plate up this one pot homemade Hamburger Helper. So easy and perfect for a busy night. Thanks for joining me on Off the Pie Charts. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes. See you next time.